Hi, my name is Giselle. Today I will present my timeline on a topic that is marked in the history of Mexico. I will address what is the earthquake of the year 1985, 2017, and 2022. In Mexico is a vast seismological laboratory only until August 2021. The National Seismological Service reported a year 1969 earthquakes in the Mexican Republic with a magnitude equal to or greater than 3.5 on the Richter scale. This means that in this country there are more than 4 earthquakes per day within that magnitude range and 14 in total. The earthquake of the year 1985. This was recorded after a mega drill was carried out organized by federal authorities in commemoration of the earthquake and with the purpose of preparing and raising awareness among people on the most convenient action routines to face an emergency situation. Uh, the earthquake and year 1985 began at 17:16 hours, reached a magnitude of 19.1 and is estimated to have lasted 4 minutes. Was held at 11 a.m. On that occasion, the seismic alert was heard in Guerrero, Mexico, Puebla, and Oaxaca. This was the most significant and damaging earthquake in the country's contemporary history. Although its effects were felt in the center, south, and west of the country, causing more than 30 millions injured and 150 millions people affected and 30 millions homes destroyed and more than 16 millions damaged. The official figure was 16 millions deaths. The year 1985 earthquake released 32 times more seismic energy than that of September 19, 2017. 2017 Mexico earthquake. The epicenter was located in the Pacific Ocean near the mouth of the Balsas River on the coast of Michoacan, and the epicenter 15 kilometers below the Earth's crust. The rupture of the September 19, 2002 17 earthquake occurred within the ocean Cocos Plate. Its strongest aftershock was recorded the following day, September 20, at 7:38 p.m. with a magnitude of the 7.9 time and epicenter at 1:14 hours, an earthquake with magnitude 7.1 shocked Mexico. The epicenter was northwest of Chautla de Tapia, Puebla, at a depth of 51.2 kilometers. Mexico City reported 228 deaths, Morelos 17, 4, Puebla 4.5, the state of Mexico 15, Guerrero 6, and Oaxaca. The cost of the damage was estimated at 143 million pesos. The earthquake of September 19, 2002 and 22. The earthquake of September 1922 was registered after the national drill was carried out in Mexico at 12:19 p.m. just 5 minutes after on clock in the afternoon. The 17.7 magnitude earthquake occurred. The epicenter was off the coast of Michoacan, in front of the town of Cocomalcan. The movement was felt in Mexico City, Hidalgo, Guerrero, Puebla, Morelos, and Jalisco, including the southern region of Chihuahua. The earthquake, according to experts, was a subduction quake, that is to say, it was the result of the sinking of the Cocos Plate under the North American plate at the depth of 15 kilometers. Due to its characteristics, it is very likely that there will be a large number of aftershocks in the coming days, which will decrease in magnitude. Earthquakes are natural phenomena produced by the accumulation of force in fragile areas of the Earth's crust, called helical faults, which tend to rupture when their limit of resistance and is excessive. The impact and effects of the earthquake result in ground shaking, fires, seismic, sea waves, and land slides, as well as disruption of vital service, panic, and psychological shock.